What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Upnext. Come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. Alright, so look man, today we have the 4-year dreadlock journey video, you know what I'm saying? I think I missed the 3 years, but it's all good, you know what I'm saying? The 2 years going crazy, you feel me? Day 1 to day 2, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all watched that if you on my channel. But today we doing day 1 to year 4, alright? So whether it's how many days in year 4, that's gonna be in the title, but right now we sticking to day 1, year 4, alright? So, getting straight into this video, before we even get into the video, man, make sure y'all go shop the new satin line beanies. You dig what I'm saying? We got all different type of flavors. You see the retro red on my head right now, you know what I'm saying? We got the black if you need it. We got the blue if you need it, you know what I'm saying? We got the purple dream. And we got the green. You dig what I'm saying? And if you don't know what a satin line beanie is or a do-rag beanie, this all it is, man. You see the quality? Do you not see the quality? This ain't no regular beanie. This ain't no regular beanie. That's why it's not regular price. You hear me? But it is on sale right now for $50. So make sure you DM at upnextmalyt, at upnextlifestyle on Instagram to order. Alright? So, and if you got dreads, braids, anything like that, it's very important that you cop one of these. Very important. It prevents dry, it prevents breakage, it prevents cold. Have your dreads ever been cold? Exactly, it prevents all that, you know what I'm saying? So getting straight into that, straight into the 4 year. Alright man, so what y'all looking at right here, man, this is basically the February 24th, 2018. This is right when I first started my dreadlocks. This is just that time, you know what I'm saying? That time of just, I don't know, like ugly, the ugly stage. Being 100 with you, the ugly stage. So let me get right. The ugly stage, alright? So pretty much the ugly stage, it was a very frustrating time, you hear me? It was a very frustrating time because of the simple fact, like shit, your hair ain't where it wanna be. You know what I'm saying? And this is all just the starting point. So a lot of people ask me, how did you start your dreads? I started my dreads with the twist and comb method, you know what I'm saying? You know when the loctician get the comb and she started twisting? Yeah, the twist, yeah, that's the dreading method. I didn't start with no instant dreads, alright? And so my method of starting is very like traditional. This is the same month, February 2018, the same month. You feel me? This is the month when I was like, you know what? I gotta untwist my dreads. You know what I'm saying? And if you know, like right when you get like beginner locks or anything like that, make sure up next beanie right there. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I drop a like. Make sure I hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications also. But before your dreads even get dreaded up, before it even become locked, because you know it takes around like 6 months before your hair just to lock up. So anybody who out there who asking me how long does it take for your hair to get locked, or how long it took for my hair to get locked, it took around like 6 months for it just to get fully locked in its full form. Alright, so it won't be falling apart, everything like that. But before it got to that 6-month mark, right, I untwisted it because I didn't like the look. It was too small. I was cracking on myself. I was getting on myself. Alright, so July the 1st, this is probably one of those times, I know it's kind of like a dark picture, y'all can barely see it, but you see like my little hair is poking out the side. But this was probably like a little time that I untwisted it and then I went back and got it twisted. Y'all gotta understand, this is 3-4 years ago, and yes, I have been documenting this journey. But this has been a long ass journey, you feel me? So yeah, so this is like probably pretty much like the side, really like 2 years before you get your hair dreaded. So if anybody out there, if your question is when should I get my hair dreaded, what's the perfect time? It's gonna take around like a year or two. I would say 2 years. Alright, so to answer your question, 2 years, alright? Alright, so July the 6th, 2018, this is still around the 2018, so this is within my first year. It hasn't even been a year yet, it's been a couple months. Alright, so July, right, this is like the summertime, right? So I'm in Florida, I'm wherever, you feel me? I just got out the water. And of course, when you get out the water and your hair is not even fully dreaded up, your hair is gonna unravel, undread up almost, it seems like. So, but I knew after this vacation that I would be going back to the loctician. So that's another thing. Alright, so if you want to take a shower, if you want to ever wash your dreads by yourself, if you want to hop in the pool, make sure that you scheduling your loctician the next week or something around that. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got that in order. You feel me? You don't want to be your hair untwisted. It's in the afro form like this. But I'm gonna go on and tell y'all, any hairstyle I got, any hair length I got, I rock it. You feel me? I can't wait till I get my retwist and I get my 2-strand twist. The game gonna be over with, cause I'm gonna be still selling, going crazy on beanies. All right, so this is the same month in July, the same year. This is like the summertime, around the summertime. So you see how my hair is just in a porcupine stage. It's called the ugly stage. All right, so my hair is basically in the ugly stage right now. And people usually be like, yo, you need a retwist, you need this. Bro, I'm rocking it how I'm rocking it. You feel me? I'm rocking it and how I'm rocking it. I'm down there picking up your girl how I'm rocking it. So you can't tell me how I'm supposed to rock it. So anything in life, if you got a little swagger about yourself, if you got something different about yourself, keep that difference about yourself. Because 9 times out of 10, these niggas want to be just like you. You feel me? These niggas want to be just like you. Alright, so that's just a little key for the day, a little gem for the day. But yeah, so you know what I'm saying, when I was going through the ugly stage, how you get through the ugly stage, you keep you a fresh cut. You might even want to have you a satin line beanie to get through it. You feel me? That's why I made these. You know what I'm saying? I'm not just making a business. I'm not just building a business for you guys it's for you guys to utilize the service. It's for you guys to utilize me. Alright, so we just missed this month. But y'all seen the month, right? Okay, y'all seen the month. So anyways, I think this is like a couple months later. It had to be my hair's more laid down, as you see it's in the front. I think I'm playing soccer at the moment. I'm very active still to this day. You feel me? So I'm very athletic. Like if you look at my, like, y'all seen it. Y'all seen it before. I don't even know what I'm telling y'all, but that's why my body is shaped how it's shaped, because I'm very active. I've been very active my whole life. You feel me? So y'all see the little hair poking down the side. It's coming halfway down my forehead. You feel me? So we getting somewhere. You know what I'm saying? All I used to do was, I used to go, this is another question a lot of people ask. How often did you get your hair retwisted? I would usually get my hair retwisted within like every 2 months, somewhere around there, right? So this is, well, I just seen the month, but y'all seen the month. Look here now, look here. I got some very good information for y'all, so I might be missing the months, but y'all see the months. Y'all see the process, y'all see the growth. Alright? So, another thing, I used to always twist my hair too with my hand. You know what I'm saying? It was just, if you had an afro and you had twists before you had dreads, you would understand why I was going like this a lot. But yeah, man. And so at this point, I really could probably just shake it just a little bit, just a little shakage. You feel me? But yeah, it do take some time just before you to even get to the shaking part. You dig what I'm saying? So, plus, like I said, I was playing soccer. Y'all see the little soccer symbol. This is September, so this is beginning to be towards the end of the year, around September, around 2018. This is, you know what I'm saying, towards the end of the year. Waiting on my little cousin Joe, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so you feel me? Y'all see the hair going porcupine crazy still. You feel me? I'll probably say, but y'all see like the dread, one dread hanging, like the hairstyle really hard. You feel me? You can't say it ain't hard. You know what I'm saying? So, real talk, I would say about this hairstyle, I say it's cool. You know what I'm saying? I say it's alright, because it ain't too crazy. You feel me? It ain't too crazy to the point where it's like, I think it was like, that looked like 3 to 4 months of just like not having no. Bruh, about how I am right now, I would show y'all the review, but y'all gotta wait. Y'all gotta wait till the end of the video to see the 4-year process, the 4-year length, the full length of the 4 years. You know what I'm saying? And I still gotta get it twisted. You feel me? So later on down the line, you know what I'm saying, we got the hair retwisted. Look at the beautiful blackness. Look how pure and black. Now I gotta detox the dreads and shit like that, because you know what I'm saying, some locticians want to put heavy products in my hair, and it was really just me because I wasn't informed with the dreads and everything like that. So I done been through a lot with this hairstyle and with this hair, you know what I'm saying? So, and I'm taking y'all through the whole entire journey right now. Like, y'all seeing it right now, you feel me? So, yeah, so my hair started to lay down, you feel me? I just got a new retwist, I just got a new haircut. Really think on this shit, you know what I'm saying? You feel me? You can't tell a nigga nothing when you get that new retwist and that new haircut, but and also when he get a satin line beanie. So make sure y'all order y'all satin line beanie at upnextmalyt. You feel me? So this is May 15th, this is 2019, so this is a year later, you feel me? And this is probably around before the summertime, you know what I'm saying? So, this is like 2 years ago. That's crazy. That's crazy. This is damn near 3 years ago. That's crazy. Alright, but, damn, this shit, hold up. I ain't saying something. Yeah, it's been, God, this is, you see what, like, I ain't gonna count y'all. I'm just now realizing this because I ain't gonna, like, I put the video together, but I'm just now, like, realizing, like, it's been, like, a very long journey. You dig what I'm saying? And just to see my dreads touching my eyebrows now, you know what I'm saying? Like, now my dreads touching, like, my back, you feel me? But that's the whole thing about the dread journey, bro, you know what I'm saying? And I inspire y'all to, if you got a dread journey out there, bro, you know what I'm saying, record your dread journey, you know what I'm saying? So, this is September 6, 2019. I got like a retwist, I got like a 2-strand twist, but it ain't been retwisted in about 2 months, you know what I'm saying? I threw it up in the front ponytail, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's really like a Snapchat video, but yeah, too crazy. Got the fresh haircut on me. I always used to stay with a little fresh haircut. Now I just be on. I don't even be knowing. I don't even be caring. I throw the satin line beanie on. I don't even care no more. You feel me? It be cold outside anyways. Like, nigga whole head be cold. So that's why I love my satin line beanie. You feel me? But, yeah, so this like the 1st of September, 2019. I ain't got really much nothing to say about that. Like, y'all see my hair, like, pretty much really got longer. Y'all see it. I'm putting it in the whole front ponytail. Ain't no fucking way. Ain't no fucking way. Anyways, the video died, but I'm gonna let the video continue to play over here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let it continue to, cause my phone just died a little bit. All to piss me out. But I just thank God that we just made it through the and if y'all did made it this far, man, comment satin line beanie down below for me. For the phone down, you dig what I'm saying? But the camera, but the recorder is still going, so y'all can see the rest of the hair journey, the rest of the dread journey. Throughout this whole entire journey, bro, it's been ups and downs. It's been like a couple times where I wanted to cut my hair, like. It's been like it's been one time like recently I was like, man, you know what I'm saying? But I can't do it. I can't go for it because like it's too cold out here to be having a bald head. You know what I'm saying? Like even my dreads now, it be protecting my ears from the wind and shit like that. It just be like crazy. It just be lush crazy shit. I'd be like, nah, like I'd rather just have them. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? And I know a lot of people who are inspired to get dreads, and a lot of people who don't even think about dreads. They look at my channel, they be like, damn, this nigga talk about dreads, and like it's interesting. Interesting because I know it is interesting to a lot of people. You feel me? Even though it's a part of my everyday life. You know what I'm saying? I wake up, I shake and I go. A lot of people be like, yo, how did you get your dreads so thick? How are they so full? You know what I'm saying? Like how, like, cause a lot of these niggas dreads, they be tiny and shit, and that the tiny really it don't really look too good, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know what y'all need to be. You might want to combine them both, you know what I'm saying? The instant dreadlocks, in my opinion, they don't look as good neither. You feel me? They look like sticks, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I ain't gonna say it goes against dreads, but I'm gonna just say like the instant dreadlocks, it just don't hit the same, you feel me? It just, especially, no offense, especially on a white person, it just don't hit the same. It just don't hit the same, cause it don't hit the same, bro. you know what I'm saying? I ain't even right. It don't hit the same, bro. Like when you see a good retwist, a good haircut, you just be like, damn, like it kind of inspire you to goddamn go get a haircut, goddamn, or go cut your own, like, and I cut my own shit, you know what I'm saying? But I appreciate y'all for just staying through the whole video, man. I know this has been like one of the longest videos I ever done, but also one of the most viewed videos is my day 1 to year 2 video. So I had to make a day 1, year 4 video, something like that, you know what I'm saying? Day whatever. Make sure I hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow me on all my social medias. They're down below, Instagram, Snapchat, all that. Alright, make sure I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.